Play Studios is back to take us for another spin, this time with MyVegas Slots for the mobile device. It's more of a spin-off than a port though. Like the Facebook game, you play free slots to earn points to cash in for real rewards. Monorail tickets, food, beverage credits, and even helicopter rides. A few differences from the main game are made clear. You don't get a strip of hotels to play with, you get a strip of challenges to play through that provide extra free chips. This is in addition to hourly bonuses and daily spins. Friends are the same, placing your Facebook friends who play the mobile game on a game board with you as you play. This has little merit on the gameplay and is only done for the sake of continuity between the two games. Speaking of continuity, your level progression is completely different from that of the Facebook game. The bad news is when you start a new game on your mobile device, you're starting from square one. The good news is you can still sign into your Facebook and sync your loyalty points to the mobile. So any loyalty points you earn on the phone accumulate with any loyalty points you earn on your PC, and vice versa. So 100 points on the phone and 100 points on the computer total 200 points, meaning you can earn points twice as fast as usual. The games are a bit watered down and simplified from the full Flash version, and so are the graphics, making for an awkward transition from popular games like Around the World or Excalibur. The gameplay is largely spin, pick, guess, and then hope for a good bonus to keep you spinning. The slots are tighter on the mobile games and the loyalty points accumulate slower, so it's certainly best to play MyVegas on your computer if you have to choose between the PC and the mobile. If you don't have to choose, then play them both. There's nothing groundbreaking about MyVegas Slots on the mobile device, but there's nothing earth-shatteringly bad either. It does its job well, it's a fun distraction with tons of replay value, but doesn't offer much in real gameplay variety and lives on gimmicks. Still, free stuff is free stuff, and gives enough bling to dial in a 3 out of 5.